You feel the pressure building inside you, that silent tension between who you are and who you know you're supposed to become. Most people run from that feeling. You don't. That's why you're here. There's a truth you've sensed for a long time. Your mind is the only thing holding you back, and the only thing capable of setting you free. But here's the part that hits harder the moment you hear it. Your mind won't evolve until you force it to. It's not because you're weak. It's because your mind is wired to protect the outdated version of you. The comfortable one, the cautious one who survives but never transforms. Your mind has mistaken growth for danger. So every time you try to rise, it throws the same weapons at you. Doubt, hesitation, exhaustion, the urge to quit before you even begin. It's not attacking you, it's trying to keep you the same. But listen closely. A man becomes powerful the moment he stops negotiating with his old patterns. You break your mind by breaking the routine that keeps you ordinary. You stop waiting for the perfect moment. You stop asking for energy or motivation. You stop giving your fears the authority to speak first. You put your body in motion even when the mind protests. You act before you feel ready. You execute before you overthink. Because repetition rewires identity, and identity rebuilds destiny. Your old self is dying for a reason. You've outgrown him. You're stepping into a version of yourself that your past couldn't even imagine. And yes, it will feel uncomfortable. It will feel unfamiliar. It will feel like breaking. But that's exactly what evolution feels like from the inside. Keep going. You're closer to the shift than you think. And here's what you need to understand next. The moment you feel that internal cracking, that's not a sign to stop. That's the doorway. Because evolution doesn't happen when things feel easy. It happens when everything inside you begs you to return to who you used to be. Your mind will offer you every escape route. Distraction, excuses, comfort, even false logic dressed as rest or balance. But those are just your old patterns fighting for their survival. Your breakthrough is hiding behind the impulse to quit. The discomfort you feel right now is the friction between two versions of you. The man you were and the man you're becoming. One of them must die so the other can lead. And that choice is made in the smallest moments, when you wake up and don't feel like moving, when the plan feels bigger than your energy, when your doubt whispers louder than your purpose. These are the moments that define evolution. Because discipline isn't built in intensity, it's built in consistency. It's the quiet, repeated decision to refuse the easy path, even when no one else will ever know. Every time you choose the harder road, you take authority over your mind. You teach it to follow you, not control you. You show it that fear isn't the leader, you are. You're not just forcing yourself to evolve. You're proving that your future matters more than your comfort. And bit by bit, your mind starts to shift. It stops resisting your growth. It starts expecting it, craving it, defending it. Now everything you've pushed through, every ounce of resistance you've faced, every crack in your mind, was preparing you for this moment. You've forced yourself to evolve. You've chosen discomfort over ease. You've refused the easy path. And in doing so, you've rewritten the rules your mind once obeyed. Your future is no longer a suggestion. It's a result of your discipline. It's a reflection of the man you are becoming. Every act of courage, every repetition, every day you rise when your mind tells you to rest, it compounds. And this is the key. Your mind is no longer your enemy. It is your most powerful ally, once you prove to it that you refuse to negotiate with mediocrity. If this hit exactly where it needed to, subscribe, like, follow, and share for more content for you to grow. Your mind becomes your ally the moment you prove to it that discipline is non-negotiable.